Hello everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 3E. The statement is find the HCF using prime factorization method. Particularly a method is given. So we have to find out the HCF using only this method. The statement is 18 and 42. To find its HCF, we will find out the prime factorization of 18 and 42. 2 9s are 18. Then 9 is not divisible at 2. It is divisible at 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So the prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3. Now we will find out the prime factorization of 42. 42 is divisible at 2. 2 21s are 42. Again 21 is not divisible at 2. It is divisible at 3. 3 7s are 21. Then 7 1s are 7. Now we will write down the prime factorization of 42. That is 2 into 3 into 7. To find out its HCF, we have to find out its common factors. The common factors are 2 and 3. So our HCF would be we will multiply these common factors. 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. HCF is 6. It's the time to check our sum ourselves. Now, if we divide these numbers by 6, when we divide 18 by 6, we get 3. When we divide 42 by 6, we will get 7. 3 and 7 is the reduced term. There is no other table on which 3 and 7 is divisible. It means our HCF is right. This way we can check our sum ourselves. We had find out the prime factorization or HCF of 18 and 42, two numbers. The same way we can find out the HCF of 3 numbers. That is our 6th sum. Our 6th sum is 14, 35 and 63. Now, to find out the HCF of 14, 35 and 63, we have to find out the prime factorization of these 3 numbers. Prime factorization of 14, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. So prime factorization of 14 is equal to 2 into 7. Now we will find out the prime factorization of 35. 35 is not divisible at 2. It is also not divisible at 3 and 4. It is divisible at 5. 5 7s are 35. Again 7 is divisible at 7. So the prime factorization of 35 is equal to 5 into 7. Now we have to find out the prime factorization of 63. 63 is divisible at 3. That is 21. 3 7s are 21. Again 7 1s are 7. Now prime factorization of 63 is 3 multiply 3 multiply 7. To find out its HCF, we have to find out the common factors. The common factors are 7 here. There is only one common factor. So our HCF is 7. Now let's check our answer. When we divide 14 by 7, we will get 2. When we divide 35 by 7, we will get 5. When we will divide 63 by 7, we will get 9. So this 2, 5 and 9 is the reduced term. There is no other table on which these numbers are divisible. This way we can check our sums as. Thank you.